Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your device meets basic needs, Android version and at least a few hundred megabytes free. Once done, open Google Play and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Use the search bar to find Gboard, the official Google keyboard. Tap the app to view details. Make sure the publisher is Google. This first step gets you into the install flow and prevents downloading the wrong app, which saves time and avoids permission confusion. After tapping install, pay attention to permissions and accept ones that match keyboard needs like storage or microphone if you plan to use voice typing. Once installation finishes, open Gboard and follow the onboarding. Choose themes, keypress feedback, and voice typing preferences. Go to Settings System Languages and input to enable Gboard as an input method, then select it as your default keyboard. This ensures apps use Gboard for typing and that your preferences carry across sessions and reboots. You should now test Gboard in a messaging app, browser, and search field to confirm layout, autocorrect, and voice typing work. If you want clipboard or emoji features, enable them in Gboard settings. Make sure Play Store updates are allowed so you receive fixes and new features. If typing lags, suggestions fail, or Gboard won't appear, clear the app cache and data, then reboot. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.